Welcome! In this video I'll be demonstrating how you create the Aztec design on the white panels of the Mexican Sarape blanket. After you've crocheted the blanket, you'll be using your Bernat Softee chunky yarn and Tapestry needle to weave the design through the large white panels. Looking at the Aztec design on page 3, notice it starts on the 8th row of the white panel and you skip the first 7 rows. Starting here from the bottom left corner of the design, begin weaving horizontally to the right using the holes in between single crochets. Work the yarn under and over following the Aztec design. When you reach the end of the design, just repeat it over and over again until you reach the end of the white panel. Each row that you weave works off the row below it, and once you get into about 4 or 5 rows, you'll start to see the design really come to life. And yeah, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I came up with this idea of weaving the yarn because I was originally going to cross-stitch the design on the white panels of the blanket, but I had cross-stitched over some crochet in the past and it only looks pretty from the front side. The back side, it doesn't look as pretty. So I wanted this to be front and back, so both sides are beautiful, and this weaving technique I just sort of came up with and gave it a try because it looks very similar to what they do on an original Mexican Sarape blanket.